You're watching Video Vocab by BusinessEnglishPod.com.
In this lesson, we'll look at vocabulary related to intellectual property, or IP. Intellectual property includes patents, as well as trademarks and trade secrets. IP may be licensed to others, but it still belongs to the rights holder. We'll cover activities such as counterfeiting, as well as reverse engineering. And finally, we'll look at designation of origin. Intellectual property.
Intellectual property.
Intellectual property is a creation or idea, such as an invention, a written work, or an image. Intellectual property is part of a company's intangible assets.
While Fergus Industries doesn't appear to earn a lot of money from sales, its intellectual property makes it a valuable company.
Patent.
Patent.
Having a patent on a creation means you own it, and others need your permission to use it. If you have applied for a patent, but it hasn't been granted yet, you have a patent pending.
If you don't have a patent on this idea, then what's stopping other companies from copying it?
Trademark.
Trademark.
A trademark is a name, symbol, word, or mark that identifies a company and its goods.
The Burberry check pattern seen on bags and clothing is a registered trademark of Burberry Limited.
Trade secret. Trade dress. Trade secrets include techniques, methods, or formulas that a company does not reveal to the public. Also protected by law is trade dress, or the distinct appearance of a product.
The recipe for making Coca-Cola is a closely guarded trade secret.
License. To license. Intellectual property may be licensed from one company to another, usually for a fee. A license normally explains very clearly how the IP can and cannot be used.
Lego has licensed the Star Wars name and characters from Lucasfilms to use in toys and video games.
Rights holder.
Rights holder.
The person or corporation that owns a piece of intellectual property is called the rights holder.
We found out that our new engine design is already patented, but the rights holder isn't interested in licensing the design to us.
Counterfeit.
Counterfeit.
Goods made illegally to look like they came from another company are called counterfeit.
A major task for customs authorities is to stop the flow of counterfeit goods from abroad.
To reverse engineer.
To reverse engineer.
Reverse engineering involves taking something apart, such as a machine or software, to learn how to make it.
Reverse engineering new products has become common practice in the tech world.
Designation of origin.
Designation of origin.
Designation of origin is given to products that are produced or prepared in a specific region. This PDO status, or Protected Designation of Origin, tells customers that the product is authentic.
In 2007, the European Union gave designation of origin status to Colombian coffee.
Now it's your turn to practice some of the words we've looked at in this lesson. In a moment, you'll hear a series of sentences with a word replaced with a beep. Repeat each sentence, including the missing word. For example, if you hear,
I've applied for a on my new speaker design.
you can say,
I've applied for a patent on my new speaker design.
we'll provide the correct answer after each question. Ready? Let's give it a go.
The Nike swoosh is a registered of Nike Inc. Answer. The Nike swoosh is a registered trademark of Nike Inc.
We don't actually own the technology. We just it from another company. Answer. We don't actually own the technology. We just license it from another company.
The algorithm Google uses to rank websites is a very valuable trade. Answer. The algorithm Google uses to rank websites is a very valuable trade secret.
That's all for this episode of Video Vocab. Be sure to check out our website at www.videovocab.tv for more videos on business English vocabulary.